Hello everyone, I am coming back and today I'm going to show you how to make your own calculator. It's fully accessible and it is better than the basic uh, Windows calculator in my own opinion. So first off, we are going to have to download a coding language called Python, or yeah. So first off, open up your internet browser. You're going to need to go to python.org. Sorry, typo. Okay, so next what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to download Python 2.7.6. Currently, unfortunately, I'm using 2.7.5, but no biggie. It's not much of a difference. So click that. You, depending on what type of operating system you have, get the proper installer. The Windows installer is what I use right here. Or if you have a Mac, you can use this one. And then there are all the other ones. They just just use the installer. The 86. Do not use 64. Just use 86, because if you ever get any other modules or anything, it will not be compatible. So first off, once you click on that one, it'll download. It'll take a little bit to download, so just wait for that. And then once it's done, go through the installation wizard and everything, and then you should be fine. So I'm going to show you how this calculator works. I'm going to open it. It'll come up with this little thing right here: calculator inner equation with decimals. So I'm going to do 2 plus 2 opens 4, 4.0. It'll always come out with the decimal in the way we're going to do it. So, and then it'll also ask enter to repeat, stop to exit, or clear to clear the screen. So I'm going to hit enter. It'll just repeat the process, and this time let's do -7 minus 6, -13, just like that. Now we're going to try the clear command, /clear. It'll completely clear off everything that you have. So next, also, I'm going to show you the other functionality, like whatever, just something random. 22.40, blah blah blah. So stop. You type in stop. It'll turn it off. So that is always nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to code this type of file. What you're going to want to do is hit new text document, name it whatever you want. I'm just going to put calculator 2, since I already have one on here. It won't work. So open, or not with Notepad. If you have Notepad++ or either, it doesn't matter. Save as. I have file extension recognizer. It'll automatically know that it's a Python file and change it from a text document to that. So if I hit save, it just created calculator 2. So that's that. You can throw that away. There's no need. So now you have calculator 2 right here, but nothing happens when you open it. See, just a quick flash because there's no code in it. So we're going to want to edit with idle, and we're going to come to a blank file right here. So what we're going to want to do is first off print calculator, or I'll put all caps. Calculator. Okay, so I'm also going to put print enter with The reason I do this is because if you don't enter with a decimal, Python automatically will go round it to the nearest whole number. Round all your answers to the nearest whole number if you do not put a decimal. So like if you do 3 divided by 2, it'll come out with 1, which we all know is incorrect. So like it rounds itself. So we're going to want to say that so we know that everyone knows to do that. Alright, so next we're going to do input, or no, sorry, x equals input. We'll put the parentheses right here, and we'll put enter, or just enter. Enter's fine right there. So we'll just save that. Now this is the x input. Now let's do some you'll put print x. Okay, so now we have this. We're going to want to do, I'm sorry, I forgot about this. Let's put while true, and you put the colon right here, or else it won't work. And this is a loop, so it means this will go over and over and over and over and over and over again. And you have to put the tab, or it will not open it, because once you break the tab, it'll take it out of that loop. So now we have that. Okay, so we have that. Now let's put y equals raw input. Reason we do this, and as opposed to input, raw input takes text, it takes words and stuff. This will take numbers only. So raw input, it takes and creates this variable, and it'll assign it to y. So whatever you type becomes y. So if we print y, it'll come out y like that. So and then but x, it will always be a number. So if you write anything like any text or anything, it will come out, it'll just have an error and shut the entire thing down. So we'll do type stop, or type, let's say hit enter to exit, or yeah, just hit enter to exit, stop, or you know what, let's put these in regular quotes, and let's put these, it works either way. Sorry. Stop to exit, or clear to clear the screen. Let's put some quotes around that, just so they know that's what that. Let's just put some quotes around that so that they just know that that's what they need to type. Okay, so we have that now. Now what we're going to do is create some if statements. Now, if statements is what happens if it's conditional statements, that they only happen if whatever the condition is happens. So let's put if y equal quote quote. Now the quote quote means that this is whatever the user enters. So if they write stop, oh, I'm sorry, one other thing I forgot to do, let's just put that in there. We need to import modules. So let's put import, just put this, you don't have to think much about it. Import math, import OS, and that's all you need right there. One more thing, os.system. Now what this does, it will do whatever your this will do whatever your command line will do. So this is the OS system. So it can be like the CMD. This is what this is CMD basically. So if you type color B, it will make the color B, or it will make the color blue, light blue, like you saw on the other one that I had. That it'll change it to that. So let's put that. So that's that. So everything will now be blue from now on. Now let's put if y equals stop. Also one more module. Import sys. Stop. Exits. Just type that, so it'll stop it if they hit stop. It'll stop the whole process of this window if they type stop and they hit enter. Now if you put clear if y equal clear os.system CLS, this will clear screen. That's what the command for the command line is, CLS, and it'll work just as well. Now else, if they type anything else, like anything other than what we have, the conditions we have stated, just I put print. That's all I put, because it'll just print a broken line and it'll repeat the process like you saw if you just hit. So that's basically if you hit enter. I'm sorry, what did I do here? Enter to repeat. What am I doing? Okay, I'm sorry, that's embarrassing. So if you hit enter, it'll repeat the process, basically just like that. So that's basically how everything should work. So let's save it. File, save. Okay, so now let's close it down and test it out. Now here's what comes out. It has the enter. Alright, so let's just test it out. 2 plus 2, 4. Let's just put clear. Okay, there's a few faulty things in there that I can improve on. I'm sorry about that. So what we can do here is /n, which will break the line for them to type underneath it. Let's put print. Let's break these lines. And also in the while true, let's put print calculator. I keep forgetting to put caps. Calculator. Alright, so then also let's put the /n to break the line. So let's see how it looks now. Control file, save, close, also okay, whoops. Edit one more time. Okay, let's take and cut this from here and put this right here. And then do /n. Alright, then we have it right there. And let's just get rid of that. Now let's save it. File, save. Now let's open it. Okay, so it comes out like this. 2.0 times 600.2. I'll come out with that. And to enter, repeat, stop to exit, or clear to clear the screen. Let's just test out enter. Repeats. Let's put, I don't know, let's put 9 divided by 4, or you have to put the point right there to make it work. 2.25. Now let's hit clear to test that out. That works. Now let's try one more thing. There's something for pi. You put math.pi. You'll enter. It'll tell you pi, which works just well because that's the math module that works right there. So let's put clear. Whoops, I spelled it wrong. Whatever. Math.square root of 7. You'll come. This will automatically come out with the correct thing, and you can also do cosine, sine, tangent, and all those things with math.cost, parentheses, round number, and everything. So let's test stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Works. So there we have it, guys. We have our own very own calculator that we made ourselves that looks pretty cool. It's doing pretty well. I think this is more efficient than the regular old calculator that everyone tries to make with like Java and everything. I think Python is best for this type of thing. It's just the pizzazz of the color and everything. It looks like a command line old-fashioned, but it works just so much better than everything else. So thank you very much, everyone. Please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am Chaz. I am also, my internet name is ZCoolGuy. If you would like to also follow me on Twitter, I'll have a link to my Twitter page in the description. CJ_ZCoolGuy, or at CJ_ZCoolGuy is what my user is. So I'll also put the code in the description, or I'll put a link to the code in the description. So thank you very much and have a very nice day. Bye bye.